Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So on today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this jumbo twist on a natural hair. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous. You know, hiding natural hair on a colored extension is not really easy, but I'll show you how I get to do it. So guys, before we dive into the video, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So the very first minute I set my eyes on my client's hair, I was like, are you sure I'm going to be able to do this? Your hair is kind of thick and we're doing a jumbo twist, not tiny twist, a jumbo twist on a natural thick hair. That would be a little bit difficult, but I was able to work my way through. And then this is the method I use. I'm just going to show you guys the method I use. And before I forget, if you keep a natural hair and you're looking for a good tutorial to actually watch, I have a lot of natural hair tutorial, because like 95 of my customers actually keep natural hair, and I myself also keep natural hair. So if you're looking for a natural hair tutorial, just stick to my page. You're going to see a lot of natural hair tutorials. So I'm just going to take you through how I get to achieve that beautiful twist you saw earlier on. Just keep watching. So if you have a natural thick hair and you want to do a jumbo twist, don't be scared, don't worry, I'm here for you. I'll carry you along. So what I actually did was to cut the hair and twist it individually like this. What this does, it keeps the hair moisturized and it also makes the hair softer. So you can imagine that you didn't actually twist the hair like this and you just leave it like that, and when you get to the top you want to comb, it will be very difficult for you to comb it. So that's what I did. And this jumbo twist we're actually doing is the rubber band method. So we're going to be using the rubber band on the twist. I'm just going to carry you guys along. I've done like 80% of the twist already, so I'm just going to take you guys through the rest of the twist. And what I normally do, because it's a natural hair, you have to comb it properly. Make sure it's properly combed, and then you cut a line in between. Just share the hair you want to twist into two, and then put your extension in between it. Put your extension in between the hair, then all the hair together. Just watch what I'm actually doing. All the hair together, then use the rubber band to like knot the both hair together. I don't know if I'm actually explaining it properly, but guys, please bear with me and just concentrate on what I am doing, and I bet you're not going to miss any part of it. Seriously, this is a very detailed tutorial and I really want you guys to learn something from this tutorial. So after doing that, you could see that I actually open the natural hair into two and I pull it downward. That makes it even more tighter if I notice that it's not too firm. So I make sure that I check the extension, that the extension is actually equal. Make sure it's equal. This is something you have to take note of. Make sure the extension is equal. So you check the length and then you start twisting. When you're twisting, you twist your left hand, the extension on your left hand, and you twist the extension on your right hand, and then you twist it together. Just concentrate on what I am doing. I bet you guys won't miss any part of it. But as you watch further, you're going to understand more and you're going to see a clearer picture of what I'm actually doing. So don't be discouraged, just keep watching, you're going to get it. And using this rubber band method, it makes it a lot easier. If you keep natural hair, and your hair is very thick and you want to do a jumbo twist, even though the jumbo twist you want to do is bigger than this, you'll be able to achieve a very nice jumbo twist without no stress when you try the rubber band method. This rubber band method is really good. I love it. It's very good. So you just concentrate on what I am doing and you'll be able to understand all I did. So I'm taking another one again, put the extension in between, use the rubber band to hold the both hair together, and then you guys should just ignore my son. He's been moving around, just ignore him. And then I apply a little gel on her natural hair, not on the extension, on her natural hair, and then I twist together. But at the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys the hair I actually twist without applying the gel. So I don't think the gel is really doing much to the hair, to me, to my own opinion, because I know I can twist very well and I can make my twist as tight as possible. So I don't really think the gel is really doing any justice to it, because if you see the one I actually did without the gel and the one I did with the gel, you won't notice it. There's no difference, so you won't notice it. But if you want it to be easier, you're just learning how to twist, then you can use the gel on it. It's good anyway. It helps if you, and most especially if your hair is relaxed, it helps more if your hair is relaxed, because it's easier for you to twist in. Because you could notice that when I even put the gel, you won't even notice there is a gel on the hair, because the natural hair is very thick. So that's the reason. So you can use the gel. I'm not trying to discourage anyone from not applying gel on the hair. You can use it, but me, what I'm trying to say, that I can actually get away with twisting the natural hair without applying gel to it. So guys, just concentrate on what I'm actually doing. I bet you're going to, the next time you try to twist, you're going to twist properly. Most especially if you're using this rubber band method. It's very, very nice. And the next good thing about this rubber band method is that the hair doesn't easily get rough. When you use the rubber band method, it doesn't easily get rough. Yes, that's what I noticed as well, because I've done it for a lot of clients. It doesn't easily get rough with the rubber band method, so it's a good thing. It's a very, very good one. So you could see that I actually share the natural hair into two and I pull it downward. That just makes the hair a little bit firmer. And make sure that when you are twisting, when you're applying the rubber band, make sure you share with your client that the rubber band is not too tight on the hair. But if it's too tight, before the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys how to like reduce the tightness if you feel like the rubber band, or if your client complains that that particular twist is a bit tight. So I'm going to show you how you can actually reduce the tightness on the hair. But just concentrate on what I am doing. I bet you guys are going to enjoy this tutorial. Seriously, this jumbo twist tutorial on a natural hair, seriously, you guys are going to enjoy it. And I noticed that while I'm filming, I was actually using my hand to like block the camera. Don't worry guys, you guys should be patient with me. I'm going to work on it. I noticed it, but if you guys notice any error, please call to my attention by dropping a comment in the comment section. Seriously, I would love to see your comment, what you think about this tutorial. What do you guys think about this tutorial? I would like to see your comments. And I'm going to work on my filming, on how to position camera. I think I'm going to work on that, on how to position camera on tutorials, because if I'm doing normal review and the rest, I'm doing my normal video, I don't find it difficult. But when I'm doing tutorial, I think I don't just know the right place to place the camera to be able to film the particular hair I'm doing very well. But guys, just bear with me. But you guys are going to see it clearly as you watch further. But I'm just trying to mention my thoughts, what I actually noticed. So you guys should just bear with me. But you guys will still understand all I'm doing, because you're going to see a clearer picture of what I'm doing as you watch further. And also, if you're based in United Kingdom, Manchester to be precise, and you want to book for braiding, please don't hesitate to contact us. I'll be leaving our Instagram page, which you can DM us on Instagram to book for if you want to make your hair or so. I'll be leaving our Instagram handle in the description section. Don't hesitate to check it if you want us to like make your hair. I twist to the left and some people twist to the right. It doesn't matter where you twist to, provided you can get a nice twist. That's what matters. Some people twist to the right and some twist to the left. Provided if you're someone that twists to the left and you're someone that twists to the right, it doesn't matter. It's just provided you are able to like hold the twist. Don't let go of the twist. If you let go of it, it will just revert back. So don't let go of the twist. While you are twisting down, make sure that you're knotting, make sure you're holding your extensions firmly and you are knotting it properly. While you're twisting down, you're also twisting the attachment. You make sure you're twisting the attachment as you're twisting down. So that's how to actually do it. So just watch carefully what I am doing right now, and then I'm also going to show you how you can actually reduce the tightness on the twist if you think you maybe apply the rubber band too hard and you want to reduce the tightness. What you can do, I'm just going to show you. What you can do is to take your comb and then put it through underneath the braid, underneath the rubber band, the braid. Then you pull it upwards a bit. I'm just going to show you a bit on how to do that. So that is what you normally do, but I'm going to show you shortly how you can actually do that. I think when you see me do it, you'll be able to understand what I'm actually talking about. So if you watch my hand, my finger, you could see how I twist my right hand finger. I'm trying to twist the extension just to be sure that the both twists can actually twist together. I don't really know how to explain that. I'm sorry, but I think when you watch what I'm actually doing, you'll be able to understand what I am saying. I don't know, please, if anyone is also in that same position as me, you want to explain something but you don't know the right words to actually use to explain that. That's what is happening to me right now. But I think if you concentrate on my fingers, on what I am doing, you won't miss any part of it. But as you watch further, you're also going to see a clearer pictures of what I am doing also. You know, it's easier when you want to make a jumbo twist with a black extension, and it's difficult when you want to make a jumbo twist with a colored extension. If you are using a black extension, you don't even need to put much effort. It will just, because it won't be obvious, you won't notice the black because it's actually black extension to a black hair, so you won't notice it. But when you're using a colored extension, then you have to put extra work. That's what I'm actually doing right now. So what I said earlier on, that I was going to show you guys how you can actually reduce the tightness. That's exactly what I'm doing right now. You just put your comb underneath the rubber band and then pull it upwards. Then it reduces the tightness on the braid, on the twist. So that is just how to, it's as simple as that. That is how to reduce the tightness on rubber band method twist or braid. Yeah. And while you're twisting, if you notice that your braid is having any kind of entangle or is knotting together, just pick a brush and then comb it, detangle it. It helps a lot, because if you don't have a smooth and a smooth extension, you won't be able to have a very nice twist. All right, so with this one I'm going to do next, I think you guys are going to like get a clearer picture of what I've been doing actually. So I want to actually take you guys through this very one. What you just do after combing, you share the hair that you want to twist into two, put your extension in between the natural hair, then hold the natural hair together, use your rubber band to knot the natural hair together Yes, that's what you do. Use it to knot it together, and make sure that you put it as tight as you want. And if it's too tight, make sure you reduce it, and talk to your client. Or if you're doing DIY, you'll be able to know when it's too tight, so you can reduce your hand, because with the rubber band sometimes it can be a little bit tight if you don't ask your client how tight it is. So what you actually do, I share the natural hair into two, put one into one extension and put the other one into the other extension. What that does, why I have to share it into two, I want to have equal size of extension and make your twist look even and nice. That will give you the same size on the left and the same size on the right for you to be able to twist. If you have the same size of extension altogether, it make the twisting look nicer and neater. Yes, that's what it does. So that's the reason why I will share the natural hair in the middle, in two places, and then the extension the same size, because I have one on my left and one on my right. Then when I twist it together, it makes it a lot easier. So that is the trick. Make sure your extension is in the same size, and make sure that after putting the extension in the middle of your natural hair, make sure you check the length before you start twisting, so you can have same length. Because if you have same length, it makes your twisting more nicer than when it gets to the end you start sharing attachment to add to another one. So that's another secret. So you can see how nice this twist look. So that is what I actually put together to achieve this beautiful jumbo twist on a natural hair, and it came out really, really beautiful. The twist is tight, it looks very nice, and with the rubber band, just like I said earlier on, it make it last longer. So what I'm doing next is just putting the twist into the hot water, and some of my clients, they like the hot water, some doesn't like it, but anyways, you have to put your extension inside a hot water. So make sure that when you're using the hot water, make sure the hot water is very hot. Don't be scared of the steam, just make sure it's properly hot. That's when it will give you that nice tiny end of the braid to make your braid look very silky. Yeah. Look at that braid, look at that braid, look at that braid, look at how beautiful it looks. Guys, if you've watched this essay and you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please support me by hitting on that subscribe button, press on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I do upload new videos every week, so if you don't want to miss any of my videos, please and please again support me by subscribing to my channel, and make sure you turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I do upload new videos every week, so try not to miss any of my videos. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't hesitate to drop your comment. Share the video if you think you have friends that would love to see it. And thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I would love to see you guys on my next video. So enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.